Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Today, I'm about to spill the beans on something extraordinary. I'm going to share with you how I managed to break through the YouTube algorithm in just one day. Yes, you heard that right. But before we dive in, let's talk about the YouTube algorithm. It's like this elusive puzzle that all YouTubers are trying to solve. We're constantly trying to figure out how to get our videos recommended, how to increase our views and subscribers. Well, guess what? I cracked the code, and today I'm going to show you how I did it. So, here's what I did. I took inspiration from one of the most successful channels on YouTube, Isaac's channel. Now, if you're into science and education, you probably stumbled upon his videos. They're engaging, informative, and always leave you wanting more. Isaac's channel has mastered the art of creating content that not only entertains, but also educates. And that's the key. So, I decided to take a page out of his book and apply his strategies to my own channel. I started by analyzing Isaac's channel and identifying patterns in his content. What topics does he cover? How does he structure his videos? What keywords does he use? I dissected it all. Then, armed with this knowledge, I created a video that was inspired by Isaac's style, but with my own unique twist. I made sure it was well-researched, visually appealing, and most importantly, valuable to my audience. And guess what happened? Within just 24 hours, my video started gaining traction like never before. It was being recommended left and right, and my subscriber count was skyrocketing. I had cracked the code. By following the strategies of a successful channel like Isaac's, I was able to hack into the YouTube algorithm and catapult my own channel to success. For making your first video viral and successful, you need 6 things: a good niche, a trending video idea, good editing skills, attractive thumbnail retaining storytelling, and a good SEO optimization. For all these things, you can take help from AI tools like ChatGPT and Bard, and after doing all these things correctly, you can easily crack YouTube's algorithm easily. So there you have it, folks. Breaking the YouTube algorithm isn't impossible. With the right approach and a little bit of inspiration, you can achieve remarkable results. Now go out there and create some amazing content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy YouTubing!